Day 4. It's Thanksgiving on this day, a new way to spend this year in New York. Mom has quietly been on our minds all week, mostly unsaid, but definitely felt. She would love this. So we didn't overplan it, we just let the day come to us. Jet lag finally caught up, and the idea of navigating a Thanksgiving Day parade crowd sounded like a full-time job. So instead, I relaxed and I watched the parade from my room, which honestly felt like the right call. It was pretty surreal seeing the Thanksgiving Day parade on TV after watching the floats get assembled the day before. Same balloons, same characters, just fully dressed, staged, and ready for their close-up. Coffee, bagels, and friendly conversation with our favorite bartender.
Look at everything. I know. It's such a cute tub.
This is a real orchid, by the way.
The Pierre Hotel and the staff are next level and so friendly.
Look at the birds.
From there, we wandered the Upper East Side. I couldn't get over the architecture, with grand entries beyond ornate door knockers, details that felt pulled straight out of a movie frame.
Oh, wow. That's what I'm looking for. Knockers like that.
All right, you know what I meant.
Is it a deer?
For the record, I would, any one of them. I'd live in any one of these.
Lots of wishful thinking. We popped into this delightful grocery market called Ori's, what originally was a neighborhood fruit stand turned into a full-blown gourmet market. Something that definitely wasn't just a grocery store. It felt more intentional than we expected. It's strictly kosher, fresh breads, beautiful produce, specialty imports, the kind of place you wander through slowly. Look at that delicious food. I found a gorgeous loaf of sourdough for my brother to go with the olive oil.
Good.
We walked past this firehouse built in 1887.
Is it Ghostbusters?
Former headquarters, still in service. One of those buildings that's always been there and holds deep history. By evening, we met up with Michael and Ying and headed out again, passing one iconic cinematic thing after another. Like we were walking through a montage. Rockefeller Center kind of anchors everything, built around a 70-story Art Deco tower that's been home to NBC and broadcast history forever.
We're in it. We're in Rockefeller Center. It's pretty cool.
I spotted the ceiling's mural immediately. Commissioned back in 1930s, but fully locked into my brain from 30 Rock's TV show Open. We headed downstairs to the ice rink.
Oh, that's a Christmas tree.
Where? Oh yeah, there's a tree.
Christmas tree.
One of those places that people pack into for tradition, the lights, the whole scene, right? And out of all the skaters down there, this one skater just nails it, fully committed. By night, the city had a pulse. Crowded streets, everyone dressed to the nines, fancy coats, sharp looks, winter wonderland in full light. We popped into Grand Central just to stand there for a second, nearly 100 years old and still pulling everyone into its orbit. Thanksgiving dinner landed at Nubiani, Korean barbecue elevated. Grilling ribeye right at the table. Pork belly, japchae, sake bombs, the kind of place built for sharing and staying for a while.
Oyster kimchi, scallion salad, chayote, and bean sprouts.
But the closer, the abalone kettle rice, rich, comforting, and easily our favorite bite of the trip. Maybe it wasn't about replacing the old traditions. Maybe it was about letting the city help us start new ones. Thanksgiving in New York, different, but exactly what we needed.
Hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.